Welcome to the Declarative Academy. Today, we're exploring the Get Started with Salesforce CRM Trailhead module. This video will walk you through the essentials of Salesforce CRM, giving you the tools to understand what Salesforce is, how it organizes data, and how it empowers businesses to build strong customer relationships. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of Salesforce's structure and capabilities. Let's get started. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is often described as a customer success platform, but what does that really mean? Think of it as a powerful all-in-one tool that helps companies not just manage customer relationships, but also enhance collaboration, analyze data, and even connect across different business functions, from sales to customer support. Essentially, Salesforce allows you to store data in a secure cloud environment and access it anytime, anywhere. It's more than just a database. It's a customizable system that grows with your business. Salesforce's unique platform lets you build on top of standard features to customize workflows, create custom objects, and automate tasks, giving your team a personalized experience that a typical CRM might not provide. Now, let's look at how Salesforce actually organizes all this data. How Salesforce organizes your data. To understand Salesforce data organization, imagine a spreadsheet. In Salesforce, objects are like the tabs in a spreadsheet that categorize different types of data, such as contacts, leads, and opportunities, while records represent each entry, similar to rows in a spreadsheet. Objects hold structured information about a particular topic or entity, like an account or a contact. Records are the specific entries under each object, like a customer or a sale. Salesforce's intuitive data organization lets you link records together to create a complete view of a customer or a project, allowing you to see how all your data connects. Next, we'll dive into the difference between standard and custom objects. Standard versus custom objects. Salesforce comes with pre-built standard objects. For instance, accounts represent companies. Contacts are the individuals within those companies. Leads are potential clients, and opportunities are the sales deals you're pursuing. Standard objects are ready for immediate use, which helps you get started faster. But what if you need something unique? That's where custom objects come in. Custom objects allow you to create tailored data structures to match your specific business processes. For example, if you're managing project requests, you could create a custom object called projects to track each request from start to finish, with custom fields for added details. Pro tip: whenever possible, leverage Salesforce's existing standard objects. They're optimized for common use cases, and by using them, you avoid creating redundancy, making your system cleaner and easier to maintain. Quiz section. All right, let's test what you've learned so far with a couple of quiz questions. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the answers right after, so you can solidify your understanding. Question 1. Salesforce organizes data into A. Objects and records, like tabs and rows on a spreadsheet. B. Objects and fields, like columns on a spreadsheet. C. Fields and records, like different databases. D. Objects and spreadsheets, like columns in a database. Take a moment to consider. The correct answer is A. Objects and records like tabs and rows on a spreadsheet. Remember, objects are the categories and records are the entries within each category. Question 2. Next question. The Salesforce Customer Success Platform. A. Doesn't include mobile access. B. Includes standard objects and a platform to deliver a personalized experience. C. Requires software installation to use. D. Is for CRM use cases only. Give it a thought. The right answer is B. Includes standard objects and a platform to deliver a personalized experience. Salesforce is mobile ready and designed for flexible customization without the need for software installation. Fantastic work. Today, you've learned what makes Salesforce a powerful CRM platform, how it organizes data through objects and records, and the difference between standard and custom objects. Now that you understand these essentials, Try exploring more Trailhead modules to keep building your skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy, and let us know in the comments what Salesforce topics you'd like to see next. Happy trailblazing!